Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to another quick revision. Today, we're going on a super fun math safari, right through Chapter 10. Let's make sure you're all set to score full marks, okay?
All right, to get our brains warmed up, how about we start with a little challenge? Are you ready to win a number game? So first up, we're going to play a game. It's called the NIM Game, and once you master it, you can totally impress all your friends with your cleverness.
Okay, the rules are dumb simple. Look, player 1 starts, and you can pick either 1 or 2. Then player 2 adds their choice, again, 1 or 2, to that number. You just keep taking turns, adding 1 or 2, and whoever reaches exactly 10 first wins. Easy peasy, right? But wait, there's a secret to winning this game every single time. So what's the trick? Well, it's all about landing on certain key numbers. Your main goal, try to land on the number 7. Look at this. If your friend is at 6, you just add 1, and boom, you're at 7. Now, no matter what they do, whether they add 1 to make it 8 or 2 to make it 9, you can always reach 10 on your next go. But be careful. If they manage to land on 7, you're probably going to lose. So always aim for 7.
All right, moving on from games, let's get into some real number magic. These are some fun tricks and puzzles that are actually, very useful. You have to try this trick. It's so cool. Just pick any 2-digit number. Let's say 27, okay? Now, reverse the digits so 27 becomes 72. Now just add them together. 27 plus 72 equals 99. Isn't that neat? Go on, try it with another number, maybe 41. You'll find a very, very surprising pattern. And now, for the main event of our math safari, we're going to count India's amazing animals. I know, word problems can sometimes seem a little tricky, but tension nahi lene ka. We're going to solve them together, step by step. Get ready, because our safari is taking us all across our beautiful country. We'll be visiting different states to solve these problems and count our precious wildlife.
Our first stop is South India. And here's our first big question. It's an addition problem. We need to figure out just how many elephants there are in total in Karnataka and Kerala combined. So let's look at the numbers. The data shows that Karnataka has 6,049 elephants, and Kerala has 3,054. So to find the total, what do? Simple. We just have to add these two big numbers together.
Now, let's do the addition step by step, just like you would in your notebook. We start with the ones place, right? So 9 plus 4 is 13. We put the 3 down and carry the 1 over to the tens place, okay? Now for the tens. We add the 1 we carried plus the 4 plus 5. That gives us 10. So we write down the 0 and carry the 1 over again. We just keep doing this for the hundreds and thousands place until we have our final answer. And there we have it. The grand total is 9,103 elephants. Wow, that is a lot of elephants. Great job, everyone. Okay, next up, a subtraction challenge. Now you have to read this one very carefully. It says Assam has 5,719 elephants, which is 3,965 times more than Meghalaya. See that word more? It's a clue. It means to find how many elephants are in Meghalaya, we actually need to subtract. So let's solve this using the borrowing method, which I know you all know. We start from the right. 9 minus 5 is 4. That's easy. But look at the tens place. We can't do 1 minus 6. So what do? We borrow. We take 1 from the hundreds place, so the 7 becomes a 6, and our 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 6 is 5. See? You just follow this method, borrowing when you need to, and take it one column at a time. And the final answer is 1,754 elephants in Meghalaya. See? It was simple, wasn't it? The most important thing was to read the question carefully. This kind of math, addition and subtraction, it's not just for counting animals in the jungle. We use it all around us, every single day. Let's look at a couple of real-life examples, from national parks to even banks. Okay, so just imagine you're visiting the beautiful Kaziranga National Park. You see a notice board that says in December there were 8,591 visitors, and in November there were 6,415. The question is, how many more visitors came in December? What do? That's right, we just subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Now this is a very, very important life skill, filling a bank deposit slip. Let's look at this one. Raju is depositing 2,045 rupees. See how he has written down the number of notes, how many 500 rupee notes, how many 100 rupee notes, and then he adds it all up to get the total. It's just addition, but in a real-life situation that you will all use one day.
All right, we're in the final section now, my little champions. Now, I want you to pay close attention because I'm going to show you some super quick mental maths tricks. These will help you save a lot of time in the exam hall.
Okay, check this out. Hack number 1. Let's say you have to do 8787 minus 99. Now, subtracting 99 can be a bit tricky, right? So here's the smart way. Just subtract 100 instead. It's much easier. So 8787 minus 100 is 8687. But wait, we took away 1 too many, so we just add 1 back, and we get 8688. See? So much quicker.
And here's another great hack. Let's say you already know that 354 plus 167 equals 521. Now, what if you're asked to find 354 plus 168? Do you need to do the whole addition again? No way. Look, 168 is just 1 more than 167, right? So the answer will also be just 1 more than 521. So it's 522. Simple. No need to calculate everything from the start. And to finish things off, here is a final challenge for you, a little puzzle from your book for you to try at home. This will make your brain super sharp. Remember, my dear students, keep practicing. The more you practice, the easier it gets. I'll see you in the next video. All the very best.